Hi folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. My voice is a little raspy. Let's all pray for, let's see, Tina, for Adventures of Frank and Tina. Pray for Patriot Farms. I'm sorry, my voice is still going out. Now, everybody should have this ready. Okay. It's a cookbook, shows you what to do with your home supplies. Again, I have to show this one because people missed the first time. Okay, strong gummy. That's the lady right there. Because we don't want to have hunger and famine. So I tell a lot of people, make sure your friend, extended family, and your neighbors have a 30-day food supply. And also, make sure they plant a garden right now. Because we don't want this to happen in the fall. Now I gotta wait until my voice comes totally back. Then I'll tell you part 2 of the lurkers, what's going to happen. And a lot of people are laughing and a lot of people are still doing stupid things. The feds are really hunting down and now they're going after companies. That's why a lot of companies are very nervous and telling everybody it's hate speech, get off my platform. No, they're panicking because sooner or later, the federal government, the state government, local government, are going to be knocking on their door. Sorry, my throat's giving out. And I tell people, the heat is on. And a lot of people look at me like, huh? It's an old term, folks. Okay? Now, this is mostly food. Remember, I told you I got these? And this type's okay for food, and I have a little oxygen absorber in there. And this used to be a Planters Peanuts. I have 2 of them. So we'll take off one of the lids. It ain't rocket science, folks. So remember, I bought this at Walmart. Neighborhood Walmart for $1.18. Been in the freezer, and if any bugs are out, they're probably dead. Extra protein. And this was, I can't see it, 2 pounds. That's about, what was it? 4th cup serving, 160 calories. Now I've been watching on YouTube about a bunch of people putting waters in jars to cook rice. That's not cooking. I believe what they're doing is, God knows what. It has to be hot water, it has to be an insulated container or a glass container. You do not fill up rice in an empty jar, sit it outside with water. That's not cooking. And you're going to have, if you do eat the rice that's been sitting out there to get softened, you're going to have abdominal stress. Don't believe me? Try it. See what happens. I've already seen like 10 channels do this. I'm looking at them like, okay, somebody hasn't went to cooking class or basic nutrition. You have to cook rice to eat it. So that's really simple. It's basic I don't know. Ugh. But anyway, we got it packed. I have a little bit left. I'm going to put it in another container because I have another one of these, and I'm going to fill that up. And then the leftover is going to go into my stores. And this one will go tucked away underneath my desk. Easy as pie. So anyway, I'll catch you later, folks. You have a nice day.